Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to change canvas color in Camtasia. First, open Camtasia. Here you can see our canvas color is black, which is default. To change the canvas color, we have to click on this icon on top. From this drop down, click on Project Settings. Here you can see the color options. Click on it. You can choose any color as you want. After selecting the color, click on Apply. Now you have successfully changed the canvas color in Camtasia. That's it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.